Silence calls to me from the treetops of this world.
Yo guys, what is going on? Z here, and in this video I'm going to show you a really cool program called Rocket Dock, where basically you have little small icons, almost kind of like the MacBook. They're little icons on the bottom there, but this is going to be in Windows. So let's get right to it. So you want to open up your web browser, and you're going to type in rocketdock.com/download. So once you get there, you're going to see a download button that says download Rocket Dock. So you're going to click on that button to download it. And once that's done, it should either be in your downloads folder and you're going to open it, or you can just double click on it as soon as it's done if you're using the Opera browser like I am. Then select your language. I'm going to select English. Then click next, and I accept and next all the way until it finishes. And then when that's done, you're going to look for it in the start menu. So you open up the start menu and type in Rocket Dock, or you can just go on and click on the start menu and all apps until you find Rocket Dock. It should be in the under the R section. Now once you open that up, you're going to see almost like a MacBook like dock, but it's going to be on top of the screen. And this can be changed. You can move it all the way to the left, to the right, wherever you guys prefer to have it. So to delete an icon in the Rocket Dock, you're basically going to right click on the icon that you want to delete, and then you're going to click on delete item. And to add an item, you just click on add item. And for the sake of this video, we're going to add the clock to show you guys how it looks. Now if you wanted to move the dock to the bottom of the screen, you would just right click it and do screen position and do bottom. And you can play around with that, whichever side of the screen you prefer. And that's how it basically looks like on the left. And now I'm going to try the right side. Now if you open up dock settings, you can mess around with the settings a little bit just to get that preference, you know, the designated style that you sort of like to use it at. So click on icons, and once you're in there, you'll see opacity. Now play around with that a little bit, and you'll see that it sort of makes it transparent the lower that you go. And you can also change the size to really, really big, really small. The size of the icons when you hover the mouse over it, it's like the zoom style, I guess. Now if you click on the behavior tab all the way on the left, you'll notice that you could auto hide it. And I'm going to basically mess around with it just to show you the effect that it has. Now what I forgot to mention is if you head onto the general tab and you put a check mark by the startup with Windows, so this way you always have it. When Windows starts up, it's always going to be there. So guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this cool little tool for Windows. If you guys like this video and want to see more of these videos in the future, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. And until next time, I'll catch you on the flip side.